SOAR's EKY Talent Network hosted its latest hiring event in Corbin, Kentucky with Framatome, bringing strong momentum to the company's regional workforce efforts. The event supported recruitment for 3 Framatome divisions and resulted in 43 on-site interviews. From those interviews, 23 job offers were extended, reflecting both the depth of local talent and Framatome's ongoing commitment to growth. The hiring process is already underway. 9 newly hired candidates have reported to the Lynchburg facility, where they are currently training and onboarding for their new roles.
I decided to apply for this position because of the way that SOAR actually presented it and the future that it could bring to myself and in my career. To be able to find a long-term career while still residing in Eastern Kentucky means everything, because my family, where I grew up from, everything is right here in Eastern Kentucky. I would definitely recommend someone to reach out to SOAR to go through this process, because they make everything so easy, a breeze, and give you so many details about the process as you do it.
My experience working with the team was very helpful. I came in with a resume, but they were able to add a little extra spice to it to help me through the process, and it definitely gave me the confidence I needed. It means everything to me to be able to find a long-term career and be able to stay at home here in Kentucky. I'm very thankful for the opportunity to be able to be here for my family and my community and still work on the farm or with my kids, and have this job opportunity is life-changing.
This event marked another successful step in building a skilled top line for our Eastern Kentucky Talent Network. Discover opportunities like this by joining the EKY Talent Network. Visit SOAR's website today to get started.